Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shauna here today with another video. I'm going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Now this purchase that I made is actually a repurchase of an item that I had recently sold. You guys might be able to guess what it is just by the size of it and by what I just said. But let's just jump right into it. So I want to be talking today about why and when I purchase new pre-loved or vintage Louis Vuitton. So with certain items, I like for them to be new, and this is going to be one of them. I did have a vintage piece, a vintage one exactly just like this, and I wanted, once I open it, I'll let you know why I wanted to purchase it new. So of course I have already opened it up because the blue ribbon is not on this box anymore. And sorry, I have a little bit of a sore throat lately. So yeah, I could not wait to open this. I've already been using it, and let's just open it up. So, gotta love the beautiful Louis Vuitton packaging. In here is my receipt, some tissue paper, and ta-da! My new Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch 26. So I did have this in a vintage version. It was in pretty decent condition. It did have some tears on the corners over here. That's not what bothered me. The vachetta tab was actually nice. It wasn't like super dark or anything. What bothered me about that vintage was that it wasn't structured. Like this, you could see is very boxy and almost like hard canvas. And because I was using it, or because I planned to use it as more of a clutch and not so much as a toiletry pouch, I felt like it was just getting annoying because it was so smushy. And I would see people out with a new one, and I just really wanted it. And yeah, so actually, this piece is supposedly impossible to find brand new at the store. And what's funny is I literally woke up one morning, I said, that's it, I'm selling my 26, I want a brand new one. I sold the 26, and then I called up LV and I asked them, you know, I know this might sound crazy, but is there any way you can find me a Toiletry 26? Sure enough, I think they found it in Florida. I don't know exactly which store, and it's mine. So sometimes when they say that things are like impossible to find, don't always just automatically think that. Always call and see, and you never know, you might get lucky like I did. So yeah, so like I said, the reason why I went brand new with this is because I just wanted something more structured, because it's going to be more of like a bag and not so much like a toiletry. So I do have some examples of bags or SLGs that I do prefer to get vintage or pre-loved, and that would be, I have two right here. Here is my very vintage Toiletry 19, and you could see the comparison. It's like smushy and lived in, and this one is hard, which I kind of like the lived-in feel, but like I said, I wanted something more structured like this. So the reason why I love the fact that this is vintage is because this goes in my bags, it goes with me traveling. Right now, it has all of my like lipsticks that I wear like on rotation. Actually, I've been leaving this on my vanity, but it's just a piece that I don't have to be so scared about. Like, the tab on here is so white, I'm a little more cautious when I'm using it. This one is actually in pretty good condition. I don't know if you could see. I hope my lighting's okay. But because it's vintage and it's pre-loved, I don't mind to like bang it around and throw it around. So yeah, that's the Toiletry 19. And then another piece that I have that's vintage is my pochette accessories. And I liked that this was super inexpensive. I think this was my first SLG actually from Louis Vuitton, and I just wanted to see if I can like attach a crossbody strap and wear a crossbody, which I do. I think it's really cute. I've seen people use this as a like a bum bag, fanny pack, or a belt bag, which I think is really cute and I'll probably do once I give birth. So I just like that this was like an introductory piece that wasn't expensive and it still looks perfect. This you can also see is more squishy, but I like that because then I can fit a lot more in it and actually hold a lot, believe it or not. Right now I've been using it in my bags. Usually bring it to work with me. I have some more lip glosses and stuff like that, some clips. So yeah. Sorry, I need my tea, guys. So back to purchasing new and purchasing vintage or pre-loved. If it's a piece that you don't want a baby, like my Louis Vuitton No Way, which I have done a review on my channel. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it below. That's something that I'm going to be taking to work and not having to worry about if it rains out, so that I wasn't so worried about getting brand new, because if I did get it brand new, it would serve a completely different purpose. I wouldn't be enjoying it. I wouldn't be carefree, and I would be like so worried to put it down. And so if I want something that I want to be a little more delicate with and just baby a little bit more, that's when I'll go for something new like this. And believe it or not, I must have paid maybe $120 difference from my vintage to this. So this baby holds its value really well, because that vintage piece was in decent condition, but like I said, I had those tears on the canvas. So yeah, so what else? I think that's about it. I hope I covered everything for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and taking my tips on when to purchase new and pre-loved. As always, please follow me on Instagram and subscribe if you like my videos. I am trying my best to get up videos weekly, so we'll see. I am 32 weeks pregnant, so hopefully I can keep up with this schedule, and I would love to have you guys back. Thank you so much. Bye.